Hi, and welcome back to our video tutorial series for how to create a website through our local Business First site editor. Today, we will be reviewing your website header. Your website is comprised of essentially three main parts: the header, the body, which includes the bulk of your website, and then the footer here at the bottom. The header is usually the strip across the top of a web page with a big heading and logo. This is also where main information about your website usually is, such as the navigation and main contact information. So just as a side note, think about what you want your clients or potential clients to do when they visit your website. Call you or fill out a form, subscribe to an email list, or maybe buy a product. For this exercise, I'm going to replace parts of our header with our own local Business First website images and design. So first, we will replace the logo with our own. To do this, simply click on the logo itself. And then this will open a dialog box, and you can just go ahead and click the Replace button. And to upload files into this kind of image picker, as they call it, you can just go ahead and click the Upload button and then choose from your files. And you'll see that it automatically imports that right there. And I'm going to just make that a teeny bit smaller. Perfect. And next we're going to go ahead and replace the background color here. So to do that, just click on this header button right here, the orange one, and do Edit Design. And this gives you the option to change the layout as well as the color down here. So you can select a new background color from the options here or from the color picker down here. But because keeping your colors consistent with your websites and your business's themes and branding, I'm going to show you a really cool tool to make sure that you're getting the exact right color from your existing logo or branding. So to do that, I'm going to use this tool called the HTML color picker. So all you have to do is upload a file that contains the color that you're trying to match. So I've already gone in and taken a screenshot just from actually my header in my existing website, and I can go ahead and upload that here. Once it's here, all you have to do is click anywhere within the image that contains that color, and then there you go. It generates the color code right in the bottom. So all you have to do is copy that into this text box here, and it automatically applies that change to the entire header. And you can see also that it automatically included a border here, so I'm going to go ahead in my header design and just get rid of that border as well. And there you go. Then finally, we are going to add a Call Now button to our header. To do this, click on the Widgets tab and find the Click to Call button. And here it is, and just click and drag into the header. So I did that by inserting a new column. Once that happens, it automatically opens a content dialog box, and you can go ahead and put in the number here. And I'll just put in some arbitrary numbers, and you'll see that it appears directly on the button. What I do want to do in terms of design is just move the Call Now button all the way to the other side. So what I can do here is right-click anywhere in the column and just use the arrows to move it over. I can also then click within the different columns to make these different sizes. And there we go. That is how you change a website header. Make sure you tune into our next video to learn more about how to make changes and personalize your website footer.